This is the magic of mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is a soft, white cheese with a delicate flavor, smooth texture, and elasticity. Fresh milk straight from the dairy farm is heated to a specific temperature and mixed with a coagulant. The coagulant is usually rennet, which helps separate the milk into solid curds and liquid whey. The mixture is then left to sit for a few hours. Once the curds form, they are cut into small pieces. The size of the curds will determine the texture of the final cheese. Larger curds produce firmer cheese, while smaller curds produce softer cheese. The curds are placed into a large vat of hot water, where they are kneaded to expel excess whey. This process involves repeatedly stretching and folding the curds, which helps the cheese develop and form a smooth, elastic texture. Stretching also helps remove the remaining whey, leading to a firmer, more durable cheese. Once the curds have been sufficiently stretched, they are molded into the desired shape. This can vary depending on the type of cheese. The secret to mozzarella cheese's deliciousness lies in the immersion brine solution. The curing process enhances the flavor, prevents spoilage, and reduces the growth of bacteria and microbes. The cheese then undergoes a drying stage, further enhancing its texture and flavor. During the aging process, the cheese is stored in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment. After aging, the cheese is ready for packaging and placement on store shelves.